Okay, it says evaluate, which means find the value of the integral. So this is the graph of g. So my first thought is, if I'm finding this integral, I'm probably going to be using the graph. So let's write that down. 1 to 6, g of x, dx. Now let's see, that's going to, let's look up here. So 1 to 6. Here's the problem. So 1 to 3 is simply this area. But then 3 to 6 uses this curve. Can't find the area geometrically from the curve, so I'm going to have to use a different method. So this is going to equal, from 1 to 3, the area is 4. But then plus the integral from 3 to 6, I'm going to have to use the formula. 2 times x minus 4. So then I have to think, okay, when I'm trying to find an integral from 3 to 6, it doesn't really matter the limits, but I'm trying to find an integral. This is on the golden notes. My first thought is, actually calculator's allowed, so I could just pick up my calculator. I think they're going to design problems where that won't work, because they have designed a test where you don't have to have a calculator. So the next method here is the antiderivative method. This pen is getting to be annoying. It's working well for a while, but now it seems to be having trouble. So I look down here. This will work with the expanded rule, because this is ax plus b squared. 2 is a multiplying constant. So I'm just going to use that rule. So 4 plus, pull out the 2, and I'll have 1 over a, ax plus b, to the 2 plus 1, divided by 2 plus 1, and that's bar 3 to 6. So I keep going. So this is going to be 4 plus 2, parenthesis, I just have to plug everything in, so that's 6, minus 4 to the third, divided by 3, minus, do it all again, 2, 3 minus 4 to the third, divided by 3, and that's it. I don't have to do anything else. So just double check the scoring guide here. Yep, that's as far as I have to go. So the way they awarded points on this one is they gave you 1 point if you recognize that you had to use area to find this portion of the integral, and then you had to create a separate integral. That was 1 point. They gave a second point if you correctly found the antiderivative. That was just using the rule. And then they gave the third point for getting to here.